Nyla.
What are we doing?
Skydiving.
With total strangers, huh? You trust me to throw you out of an airplane?
I trust you.
You trust him to throw you out of an airplane?
Absolutely.
You guys are both crazy? Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Both of ours,
So
I
it's
guess.
your fault if this goes wrong, but she's blaming herself too.
Yeah.
Okay.
We celebrating anything today?
My birthday.
Today?
It was Wednesday.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions, ladies?
I love you, Mom.
YOLO.
Mom, this is your fault. For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all buried in the desert. Let's go have some fun. High five! High five! High five! Here we go.
Woo! Let's go! Woo! Go, ladies. Get out of this airplane. Go have some fun with us.
Yeah.
Both crazy. Let's have some fun. Woo!
Fantastic, amazing.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Falling, free
Like
falling.
that free fall, huh?
Yeah, it was insane.
Something you ever do again?
Oh, absolutely.
That's what I'm talking
Absolutely.
about. Yeah, you did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!